Hey guys, this morning I'm going to show you how to mix a bleach wash, aka soap cap. The purpose of this is to lighten your pre-bleached hair after it's faded out, gotten dingy, turned a color that you don't like, whatever reason, but you just want to brighten up your blonde hair. You don't want to put direct bleach right on already bleached hair because it can get more damaged and break off. So you do a bleach wash, also known as soap cap, to brighten the color so you can retone it. And you can see what you're going to need is some bleaching cream. I got the violet. Blue cancels out orange colors. If you tend to pull orange, get the blue. Violet cancels out yellow tones. I got the violet because my hair is already bleached. I don't think I'll be having any orange come out. And then a 30 volume developer, because when you add the shampoo to it, it's going to actually make it like a 15. And then I got my shampoo here. You're going to want to use a white shampoo. This one here is really great and it smells so good. But that's what I'm going to be mixing. And you can see it's a 1-to-2 ratio. So this package is 1 ounce. So you'd use half a bottle of the developer, and then you'd put another ounce of shampoo. You could actually even put an equal amount of shampoo as you do developer if you want it less damaging. The less volume, the less damaging, but you don't want to get a 10 or 15, 20 volume from the start because it'll be too weak, it won't process at all. But the point is to minimize damage, and that's the reason for adding the shampoo. And you also don't leave it on very long. But I'm not going to mix the whole thing on mine because I only need to do a little bit of touch up. So I'm going to use half of this and a quarter of this and then a little bit of shampoo when I mix mine up. I'll show you what it looks like after I'm done mixing. Okay, you can see here how my developer, I just mixed it. It has a purple tint to it. And this shampoo actually has a little bit of a purple tint to it, so it's okay to use. I thought it was white, but I noticed it was purple when I put it in the mix. But that's fine since we're doing bleaching and it's turning purple anyhow. But it smells so good. You guys, I recommend this shampoo. It's organic and it doesn't have the sulfates and stuff, so it works really well on colored or processed hair. And it has biotin and collagen and stuff. So if you haven't tried this before, I recommend it for real. But here you can see I only used half of my pack. If it's not enough, I'll mix the other half. But a lot of times when I mix my stuff up, I have like half of it left over. So I'm going to start with just half of it, which is pretty decent amount for just touching up. So I think I'll be fine. But that's how you do it. Thank you.